After a long, bleak winter, few sights are as welcome as a wide swath of daffodils, heralding the arrival of spring. Their cheerful blooms usher in longer, warmer days. Such a welcome vision! But eventually they fade to make way for other summer flowers. Once the show is over, they leave behind strappy foliage that turns yellow, then brown. It's tempting to cut back the yellow leaves, braid them, or tie them in neat bundles. Don't do it. You see, those withering leaves are actually doing important work that will pay big dividends next spring. They're gathering energy from the sun, which they'll use to produce blooms in the coming year. It's an important part of the process, so let them do their work. If you want a spectacular display of daffodils next year, leave those leaves alone until they turn completely brown. If you'd rather not look at the withering leaves, they're easy to hide. All you need to do is plant that area with taller, later blooming perennials. Daylilies are among the very best options. Their strappy foliage, similar to a daffodil's, emerges as the daffodils are fading. They're disease and pest resistant, tolerant of a wide variety of conditions, and come in an enormous variety of colors. Hosta are another excellent choice. They also emerge as the daffodils fade and aren't fussy about soil or growing conditions. Their stunning foliage ranges from greens to blues to yellows, and they're available in a tremendous variety of sizes. One word of caution: while deer avoid daffodils, they do love both daylilies and hosta. Fear not, there's an easy way to keep them away. Spray them with #1 rated Bobex deer repellent. The smell, which deer don't like, is evident for a mere 24 hours before fading away completely. Bobex sprays right on plants, dries clear, and in a few hours, and will not wash off in the rain, unlike many repellents. What's more, Bobex is safe for people, pets, wildlife, and aquatic life. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.